Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel The Quest Engineering Mathematics by तूर सर. This is Dr. RPS तूर और यहाँ इस चैनल में हम लोग एक्सक्लूसिवली इंजीनियरिंग मैथमेटिक्स में M1, M2 और M3 के सिलेबस को कवर अप करेंगे. तो मेरे पिछले जो वीडियो था उसमें मैंने कवर अप किया था कि पीरियोडिक फंक्शंस क्या होते हैं और आज उसी से आगे चलते हैं, हम लोग कंटिन्यू करते हैं एंड वी शैल डिस्कस फोरियर सीरीज. Fourier series for the function fx in the open interval c to c plus 2 pi, or we can write in this form: c is less than x, x is less than c to c plus 2 pi, is defined as f of x, this is equal to a naught by 2 plus n is 1 to infinity an cos of nx plus n is 1 to infinity bn sin of nx, where a naught, an, bn, these are constants and are called Fourier coefficients. और इनके लिए हमारे पास स्पेशल फॉर्मूलेज हैं, दोज आर कॉल्ड यूलर्स फॉर्मूले. With the help of Euler formulae, we can find these constants. Let's see. Here, a naught is given by 1 over pi c to c plus 2 pi fx dx. An is given by 1 over pi c to c plus 2 pi fx cos of nx into dx, plus and so on. Bn is given by 1 over pi c to c plus 2 pi fx sin of nx into dx. These formulas are called Euler's formulae. और अभी हम इनको डिराइव करेंगे कि हाउ वी कैन फाइंड द वैल्यूज ऑफ ए नॉट, ए एन, बी एन. उन फॉर्मूलों को डिराइव करने के लिए हमारे पास कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर्मूले हैं, तो उन फॉर्मूलों को हम लोगों को याद रखना पड़ेगा. लेट्स सी दोज फॉर्मूलेज. c टू c प्लस 2 पाई cos of nx, और दिस कैन बी इन sin of nx. c टू c प्लस 2 पाई sin of nx into dx. Here we have the value is 0. Here n should not be equal to 0. Second formula, c to c plus 2 pi, if we have the product of these two functions, sin of nx into cos of mx, or you can write like this: c to c plus 2 pi sin of mx sin of nx dx is equal to 0. And same here, if we have both the terms here, both the factors, cos of mx cos of nx into dx, the value will again be equal to 0. Two another formulas that will be used in to derive these Euler formulas: cos of nx, and we have a square here, cos square nx c to c plus 2 pi sin square nx into dx. Its value will come out to be pi. And here we have in the above formulas m should not be equal to n. हमारे पास फोरियर सीरीज की डेफिनेशन. Now let's find out the values of a naught, an, bn. और इन वैल्यूज को हम लोग, मैंने जैसे बताया आपको, दीज वैल्यूज आर कॉल्ड Euler's formulae. Let's derive them. To find A naught. Suppose the Fourier series definition, this equation is equation number 1. So integrate both sides with respect to x with limits c to c plus 2 pi. See what we have, c to c plus 2 pi fx dx, this is equal to a naught by 2 c to c plus 2 pi 1 into dx plus summation n is 1 to infinity a n c to c plus 2 pi cos of nx into dx plus summation 1 is 1 to infinity bn c to c plus 2 pi sin of nx into dx. अब जैसे मैंने आपको अभी फॉर्मूले बताए थे, the value of this integration I have already told you, and value of this integration comes out to be 0, as I already give you the formula, and the value of this integration will come out to be, when we will integrate, we have here x, and when we put the limits here, you will get 2 pi after solving this integration, and the values of these integrations are 0, 0 into something plus 0. So here we have a naught into pi. What the value of a naught here? So a naught comes out to be 1 over pi c to c plus 2 pi fx into dx. So this is the value of a naught here, that we constant here we were using in our Fourier series. Now let's calculate another constant an and bn. So to calculate an and bn, you have to multiply both sides in the equation number 1. Multiply equation 1 both sides by cos of nx and integrate within the limits, within the same limits as we have we were doing the same limits c to c plus 2 pi. Integrate, multiply equation 1 both sides by cos nx and integrate with respect to x with limits c to c plus 2 pi. See what we have. On the left hand side we have c to c plus 2 pi fx cos of nx into dx. On the right hand side, see what's happened. On the left hand side we have c to c plus 2 pi fx multiplied by cos of nx, and we are taking the integration. On the right hand side we have a naught by 2 c to c plus 2 pi, and we are multiplying and taking the integration, plus n is 1 to infinity a n c to c plus 2 pi cos square nx, n is 1 to infinity bn c to c plus 2 pi sin of nx cos of nx into dx. Now see, applying those formulas which I have already told you, this term will come out to be 0. So a naught into 0 plus this integration will come out to be, its value will come out to be pi, and this integration will come out to be n is 1 to infinity bn into 0. So what we left with? We left with a n pi on the right hand side, and taking the pi on the left hand side, you will find the value of an 1 over pi c2c plus 2 pi fx cos of nx into dx. This is our second constant an, Fourier constants. Now let's derive the third coefficient. Now let's derive the third coefficient bn. To find bn, multiplied both sides by sine of nx like this and integrating within limits c2c plus 2 pi with respect to x, multiplying both sides by sine of nx. On the right hand side we will have a naught by 2 taking the integration within the limit c2c plus 2 pi with respect to x plus n is 1 to infinity an c2c plus 2 pi cos of nx, and we are multiplying this term with sine of nx. And third one is sine square nx into dx. Now see, according to our formulae that I already told you, this value will come out to be 0 plus this value again comes out to be 0 according to our formula, and this value sine square nx within the limits c2c plus 2 pi comes out to be pi. c2c plus 2 pi fx sine of nx dx. This value 0, this is 0, we will left with bn pi, and bn will comes out to be 1 over pi c2c plus 2 pi fx sine of nx into dx. So these three constants a naught, an, bn, these are called Fourier coefficients, and the values of these three coefficients a naught, an and bn, these values are called Euler's formula. Let's discuss some particular cases for the value of c. Suppose if the value of c is 0, then our limit which we are taking as c to c plus 2 pi, the interval becomes 0 to 2 pi, or we can write in like this: 0 is less than x less than 2 pi. So our Euler formulas which we have calculated previously, those formulas become 1 over pi 0 to 2 pi fx dx, an 1 over pi 0 to 2 pi fx cos of nx into dx. bn is given by 1 over pi 0 to 2 pi, because we are taking the value of c as 0, fx sine of nx into dx. Second particular case will be like this: if the value of c is minus pi, so our interval c to c plus 2 pi will become minus pi to pi, and Euler formula will take the form like this: 1 over pi minus pi to pi fx dx. an is equal to 1 over pi minus pi to pi fx cos of nx. bn is equal to 1 over pi minus pi to pi fx sine of nx into dx. ये तो हमने किया कि फोरियर सीरीज क्या है, व्हाट्स द डेफिनेशन, एंड वी डिराइव्ड आवर यूलर फॉर्मूले. नाउ सी वी हैव सॉल्विंग, we are going to solve some of the examples in the interval. Let's see, for the easy interval 0 to 2 pi, we have the given function as fx is equal to x in the interval 0 to 2 pi, and we have to find out the Fourier series for this function. So here Fourier series will be x is equal to a naught by 2 an cos of nx bn sin of nx. Let's see how we can find out the values of a naught, an and bn for the interval 0 to 2 pi and for the function of x. The value of the function is now x 1 over pi 0 to 2 pi x dx. Here we have integration is x square by 2, putting the value of these limits 1 over pi 4 pi square over 2. It will comes out to be 2 pi square. After calculating we have 2 pi. Let's find out the value of second coefficient an 1 over pi 0 to 2 pi x of cos of nx into dx. Here we will make the integration by parts, taking this as the first function and this as the second function. See, first function as it is, integration of second, sine of nx over x, okay, and the limit is 0 to 2 pi minus integration 0 to 2 pi, differentiation of first function and integration of second. And after solving these values, you will find out the value of an as comes out to be 0. If we put the values of this function here, 2 pi sine of 2 pi n will be 0, and minus 0 into something is 0. So this value is 0. And if we calculate the value of sin nx in the integration, you will again find out the value of this integration, that comes out to be 0. So the value of an is 0. Now see the value of bn, 1 over pi 0 to 2 pi x of sine of nx into dx. Again by taking the integration by parts and after putting the values in the limits, you will find out the value of bn as minus 2n, 2 by n. अगर इसमें आपको कोई प्रॉब्लम आ रही है इंटीग्रेशन करने में, इंटीग्रेशन बाय पार्ट्स करने में, वी हैव द इंटीग्रेशन बाय पार्ट्स इन आवर +2 क्लास, सो यू कैन टेक दैट इंटीग्रेशन बाय पार्ट्स वेरी इजीली. नाउ तो आप उसको फिर मुझसे पूछ सकते हैं, और मैं आपको अपना यहाँ डिस्क्रिप्शन में अपना फ़ोन नंबर मैं ज़रूर शेयर करूँगा, ईमेल भी शेयर करूँगा आपको, कि अगर कोई भी प्रॉब्लम आपको आ रही है तो वो आप डेफिनेटली मुझसे फ़ोन करके जो है एक पर्टिकुलर क्लास भी ले सकते हैं. नाउ पुटिंग ऑल दीज वैल्यूज a naught 2 pi, an 0 and bn 2 by n in this function, you will find the Fourier series for the function fx is equal to x is given by a naught is 2 pi by 2 plus an is 0 plus यहां हम लोग bn की वैल्यू भर रहे हैं, n is 1 to infinity minus 2 by n sine of nx. So in all you will get the final expression as pi minus 2, n is 1 to infinity 1 over n sine of nx. Here we have nx. So this is the Fourier series for the function fx whose values is now x. So ये मैंने छोटी सी बहुत आसान सी एग्जांपल ली है क्लियर करने के लिए फूरियर सीरीज क्या होती है, और इसको हम लोग और भी नेक्स्ट वीडियो में मैं इसकी और एग्जांपल्स भी लूँगा, और टाइप्स भी हम लोग देखेंगे कि फूरियर सीरीज में इवन ऑड फंक्शंस क्या होते हैं, और सिंगल इंटरवल के लिए अगर इंटरवल जैसे अभी हमने डिस्कस किया कि अगर लोअर लिमिट 0 है तो उसको हम लोग कैसे कर सकते हैं, इवन फंक्शंस के लिए कैसे कर सकते हैं, ऑड के लिए कैसे कर सकते हैं, तो उनके लिए हम लोग अलग क्वेश्चन फिर इनको सॉल्व करेंगे। फॉर द लेटेस्ट वीडियोज एंड अपडेट्स इस चैनल को आप ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करें, लाइक करें और सब्सक्राइब करें।